Every soft roll you touch was once part of this. Watch it transform towards the notion. The journey begins precise, responsible harvesting. Freshly cut logs are gathered efficiently for transport to the processing yard. From forest to factory, the journey of raw materials begins.
All right, bring it out 3.
Where it starts its transformation. At the facility edge, logs arrive for the first transformation step. High-speed removes the outer bark, exposing clean wood ready for chipping. Precision chippers break the logs down into uniform chips for pulping. These chips now enter the core pulping process that will turn wood into the soft fibers of Charmin. The wood chips arrive at the pulping facility, ready for the chemical breakdown that releases the fibers. Chips are conveyed directly into the digester, the heart of the craft pulping process. Under heat and pressure, the chips cook into brown pulp, separating lignin from the valuable cellulose fibers.
Levels are rising steadily. Keep an eye on the temperature. Copy that. Pump is online and transferring to wash.
Multiple washing stages remove spent cooking chemicals, producing cleaner pulp for further refinement. Screening removes any remaining impurities, ensuring only high-quality fibers proceed. Cleaned and screened pulp is stored and blended in large chests before brightening for premium tissue grades. Welcome to the heart of the Charmin production facility, where every day millions of rolls begin their journey. Strict safety protocols ensure every team member is protected before entering the production zones. Wide internal corridors connect every stage, allowing safe movement of people, materials, and massive paper rolls. Bleached pulp stock is already transformed into massive jumbo rolls, ready for the tissue-making lines. These giant parent rolls, up to 10 feet wide, are the direct feedstock for Charmin's high-speed converting machines. Automated conveyors transport these heavy rolls safely to the start of the converting process.
Roll is moving. All clear.
Here in the converting hall, the real magic of turning pulp into soft, plush Charmin toilet paper begins. The giant parent roll unwinds at controlled speed, feeding the continuous tissue web into the initial cleaning stage. Advanced air and vacuum systems remove surface dust and loose fibers for a pristine starting sheet. Inline metal detectors ensure no foreign objects contaminate the tissue before further processing. Optical sorting and targeted air jets eliminate even the smallest visual imperfections from the sheet. Calendar rolls provide the initial surface refinement before the critical drying and texturing stages. The Yankee dryer evaporates nearly all remaining moisture, creating the strong yet soft base sheet. Precise tension control in the open draw prepares the sheet for the creping process that gives Charmin its signature softness. Creping is the key step that imparts Charmin's renowned plush softness and bulk by gently buckling the fibers. Festoon loops provide essential buffering, ensuring consistent web tension through high-speed transitions. Precision embossing creates the characteristic quilted structure that enhances strength and absorbency. Controlled adhesive bonding unites multiple plies into the familiar soft, strong Charmin structure. Slitting prepares the multiply web for individual log rewinding on multiple parallel lines. So, high-speed turret rewinders form the familiar logs of wound toilet paper tissue at rates of hundreds per minute. These tissue logs now move to precision cutting, transforming long rolls into individual household-sized segments. High-precision orbital log saws cut the long tissue logs into standard household roll lengths in fractions of a second. Tail seal adhesive secures the end of each roll, preventing unwinding during handling and packaging. Automated turning stations ensure every roll's tail is perfectly sealed for consumer convenience. Rolls are intelligently grouped into consumer pack sizes before final wrapping begins. High-speed poly wrapping encases each pack in protective, branded film with precise folding and sealing. End-sealing crimpers create tamper-evident, shelf-ready packages with clean, attractive presentation. Advanced robotic systems efficiently pack multiple consumer packs into sturdy shipping cases for distribution. Robotic glue applicators seal each shipping case with industrial-strength hot melt adhesive for secure transport. Compression ensures tight, durable seals that protect the product throughout the supply chain. High-speed industrial robots handle the heavy, repetitive task of building stable pallet loads with precision. Interlocking patterns and slip sheets create rock-solid, stable pallets ready for warehouse handling. Automated stretch wrapping provides weather-resistant, unitized protection for safe storage and shipping. Traceability markings are applied automatically, ensuring every pallet can be tracked from production to delivery. Fully automated guided vehicles transport and store finished pallets in the vast warehouse, optimizing space and efficiency. High bay automated storage maximizes vertical space while keeping products organized and accessible. For final distribution preparation, pallets receive additional compliance and tracking labels. Dual-side labeling ensures critical information is visible from multiple angles during handling. Protective top sheets and final weight verification complete the pallet before dispatch. Automated weighing and scanning ensure every pallet meets exact shipment specifications. Loading docks connect the factory directly to the transportation network for efficient outbound logistics. Securely loaded trailers carry finished Charmin products out to distribution centers and stores worldwide. Routine sampling from production lines ensures every roll meets Charmin's strict dimensional and weight specification. In the on-site laboratory, trained technicians perform detailed physical property tests on representative samples. Tensile and tear strength tests verify the paper's durability under real-world use conditions. Instrumental softness measurement quantifies the plush, gentle feel that defines Charmin toilet paper. Brightness, pH, and visual checks ensure the product remains clean, safe, and visually appealing. Comprehensive lab testing guarantees that only perfect Charmin rolls reach consumers every single day. Final staging ensures every pallet is verified, documented, and ready for outbound shipment. Automated vehicles deliver pallets directly into trailers, minimizing manual handling at the loading stage. Load-securing airbags and proper bracing create a stable, damage-resistant shipment ready for the road. Each trailer is sealed and inspected before leaving the facility, ensuring product integrity from factory to customer. From here, Charmin products begin their journey to warehouses, stores, and homes across the region and beyond.
All set.
And this is how modern factories produce Charmin toilet paper from start to finish.